In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook mail notification pop-up. Not working. If you are missing those little desktop alerts when new mail arrives, don't worry, we'll walk through the exact settings that control them and make sure everything is enabled on both Outlook and Windows. Start in Outlook on your computer. Open Outlook, then go to File, Options, and choose Mail. In the Message Arrival section, look for Display a Desktop Alert and make sure it's checked. This is the setting that triggers the small preview banner near your taskbar when a message lands in your inbox. It only applies when Outlook is running, so leave the app open while you expect notifications. Next, confirm that Windows itself is allowed to show notifications. Open the Windows Settings app. Select System, then Notifications. First, verify that notifications are turned on globally. Then scroll through the list of apps and make sure Outlook is enabled. If Outlook is off here, Windows will block the pop-ups, even if Outlook is configured correctly. While you are in System Settings, also check Focus or Focus Assist if you are on Windows 10. Focus modes silence alerts, which can make it look like Outlook isn't working. Turn Focus off so all notifications are allowed. If you use scheduled focus or priority lists, temporarily disable them while you troubleshoot so nothing suppresses the banner. If you are using the new Outlook experience or Outlook on the web, open Settings by clicking the gear icon, go to General, then Notifications, and confirm that mail notifications are active. These in-app options determine whether Outlook attempts to send alerts to your desktop. Keep in mind that notification appearance can vary slightly between the classic desktop app, the new Outlook, and the web version. But the core idea is the same. Outlook must send alerts and Windows must be allowed to show them. If none of these changes seem to take effect right away, restart your computer. A quick restart refreshes background services and ensures both Outlook and Windows apply the updated notification settings. Once you've confirmed these options, you should see the desktop alert the next time mail arrives. Typically a brief banner near the clock that may also create a notification in the Action Center. That's it for this walkthrough. If this helped you, consider sharing it with someone who's running into the same issue. Thanks for watching.